Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you this beautiful stitch. Okay, as you can see, it's so funny. I bought this from IKEA. It's a pillowcase. And I noticed while I'm working with this yarn, the anniversary, Caroline Cake anniversary, it's the same colorways. Look. Even the blue is the same. Look at the sky blue, the purple. It's unbelievable, but it doesn't have the gray. So this is the yarn that I bought, and the name of the color is called Book Club, I believe. Yeah. This was the only cake that was there, so I grabbed it, and I used my 40% off coupon. So let me just move, but I just wanted to share you this, like, unbelievable. So it's a very easy, simple stitch. So there's 14 here, I believe, 14 here. I think you need to cast on multiple of 14 plus 2, I guess. I'm just figuring out. So I cast on, I chained 20 stitches. And then we're going to start right away. And it's a repeat. It's one row repeat, but it looks fantastic. I'm making scarves for the homeless. Just notice, if you have this yarn, don't block it. I was blocking the previous tutorial that I did. The yarn is just terrible. And this was underneath, so this one got steamed as well, but it's plastic. Look at it. It just melted. So I wouldn't recommend this to, you know, if you put it in the washer. This is what's going to happen. Just show you the difference. And here is the before, and here is the after. Yeah, so let's get started on how to crochet this lovely stitch. It's crocheted with V's. Okay, so I did 20 chain. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 4 to go up. Okay, 3, 4. On that 4th chain, 2, 4. We're going to make a double crochet. Okay. And then from now on, I'm going to hold it this way because it's not. And then I'm going to chain 2, okay, and then I'm going to make a V on that same spot. Okay, from here we're going to skip. So when you hold it this way, you will see these bumps, right? Okay, so right into that, the 3rd one, we're going to make a double crochet, okay, and then 2 chain, and then another double crochet, okay. And again, skip 2, 1, 2. On the 3rd, make another V. So double crochet, 2 chain, and then another double crochet. Okay, so we have total of 3. Okay, we're going to chain 4, and then we're going to skip 3. On the 4th, we're going to make a double crochet. Okay. And then we're going to chain 2. So the only time we chain is when we're making the V's. Okay. And there's 4 chain in between when we're making the new group. Okay, so on that same spot, I'm going to make a double crochet. Skip 2. Okay. Skip 2 on the 3rd, make a double crochet. Okay, 2 chain, again skip 2, make on the 3rd, make a double crochet, chain 2 on that same, make a double crochet. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, the first row, it's not going to be nice as usual. 2, 3, 4 chain, skip 3, On the fourth, make a double crochet. Okay, chain 2, and then skip 2 on the third, right here on this bump, make a double crochet, chain 2. I am using the recommended crochet hook. Well, mine is smaller. It was asking for a number 8, but I have a hard time crocheting with both 8s. Okay, again, skip 2 on the third, make a double crochet, chain 2. Okay, so we're done this row. I know it looks like I chained 2. Oh, did I do something? Nope. Okay, so this is all to it. So we did our 3. So we're gonna turn around. Okay, this is how it looks like. So to turn around right here, I'm gonna skip 1. On the second, I'm gonna make a double crochet. So this would be the edge, and then chain 4, 3, 4, turn around. Okay, right on top where the V is, where the 2 chain is, we're gonna make a V. So 2 chain, make a V. Okay. Skip again on the V, make a V. 2 chain between the V. Okay, again. Chain 2 and make a V. Okay, so we're done this group. And now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 4. And then we're going to go to the next group and make another group with V's. And this is all to it. Chain 2. Make a V. Go to the next one. Make a V. Chain 2. Make a V. Chain 2. And we finish the second 2, 3, 4 chain, and we're going to jump to the third, and then we're going to make a V. So double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, go to the next one, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. If I'm crocheting fast, you can go to the settings and you can slow it. It's a very easy stitch, nothing hard. Okay, so we're done. So when we're done, we're going to come right into that chain here. Remember, we did 4 chain to go up. So right into that chain between, right there, we're going to stuck our crochet hook, and then we're going to make a double crochet. Try to grab the 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, make a double crochet. And then we're going to chain 4, turn our work, and we're going to repeat what we did. Okay, the edge is always like this. We go and make a double crochet to create this V, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to go back to my what I've been crocheting. Tangled here. Okay, let me just show you here on this one. Okay, so let me just show you. So I went and I did a double crochet right on that chain, and I chained 4 to go up, and then I turned my work, and this is too close. Let me get this a little bit, and then I go into that V and then make my double crochet, 2 chain. Yeah, this is too big, too close. And then make my double crochet right into that, and then go to the next. It's very easy. You can crochet this when you're watching an exciting movie, and then that's what I love about it. Horror movies, criminal movies, anything that is exciting, I just Even with knitting, I crochet faster, and you can crochet this stitch. It's mindless. You don't have to count. You just 1, 2, 3, 4. You just chain, and then you go to the next group. And let me show you one more time how to go to the edge. You might get confused. That's what I'm thinking, but it's very easy. You just go into the chain to crochet. But other than that, it's very simple. And I love this yarn. It's just that I don't think it is washer machine friendly, because see, I forgot to do the 2 chain, because when I steam blocked it, it did melt. Well, it didn't melt, but you know what I mean. See, it went very flat, and I don't like that shiny look when you iron acrylic. But it's really fun to crochet work with. I noticed that. Definitely. The Caron cake. And I just love the colorways, especially when it's changing. Okay, as soon as you finish the 3rd V, you chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go up on top of the V. That's all you do. It's just a repeat. 1 row repeat, 2 chain between. 2. Okay, this is my 3rd scarf that I'm working with this yarn, and I like it. Would I go and buy it? Oopsie. See what I made a mistake here. I made 3. Well, I'm not going to go and rip it, but just be cautious when you do that. Don't go back. Don't go here and make another V. If that happens, I don't want to waste all this precious work, right? And just if you're perfection, that's a different story. Would that bother me? No, because it will be lost. You can't even see it. See, I saw it because I crocheted it. Okay, so if that happens, just ignore it. So here we go. So we're at the edge here. I did my last V, and then I do a double crochet. Why is this blurry? It's not sharp enough. It should be sharp. Yes. So I come here and I just grab the 2nd chain here, and I pick those two loops. And then what I do is, it went blurry again. Okay, and then I make a double crochet. Don't forget that this is very important, to make the double crochet grabbing the chain. Okay, and then pull it by 3, and then chain 4, and then start the next row. This is all to it. So this is how you do the edge, and then it gives you this nice straight look. Again, I am making a scarf. You can make beautiful things with this. Think about a summer top. This would be fantastic. Lacy, baby blanket, throw over. Oh, this would be nice, just to, those chilly days in the summer, even when it's hot. Sometimes it gets chilly in the winter. In the night, evening. So you can put this, you can make a shawl, like a throw, like something wider, and then put it all over your shoulder. This is brilliant. I just love the stitch, and I'm always looking for simple, easy, fast going stitches, so I just had to share it. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something good new to watch. Well, most of my videos are good. I'm sure they are. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I know who you are, who keeps on giving me the thumbs down. You should be ashamed of yourself. I know you. Yeah. Karma is a big deal. So life, it will hit you one day. And you will, if it hits you, remember me. Okay, just wanted to point out that person. You guys take care. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.